Okay, so we're coming at you with another video. Alright. Tatiana, open that door. Y'all, give me open. Open that door. Hold on, no, because I don't want you. My fingers will be ready. Trying to get the dogs out, y'all. Time I started doing this video, the dogs want to start. Alright, so I got my little babies in this video. I think hubby is going to be in it. But this is a they can see you.
No, they can't see him.
Yeah, you gotta go back some because they can't see you.
Yeah, well, they can only see the chest.
Okay. What is that? All right, y'all. So we're about to do I guess you could say an international food tasting type thing. We got from, and he's showing y'all beer that we got from is it the Asian? It wasn't from the Asian market or international market or something like that here. So, hey, all right. So I'm gonna try to tell y'all where each one of these items came from. So let's start with this one right here. We're gonna start with this. This is what it looks like. It's a fruit mochi something, and this is a product of, what is over here? Let's see. She said it was on here. Oh, made in Taiwan. Made in Taiwan. So this is how it looks. Yeah, so I don't know what it tastes like. So we finna see. Ooh. What? Jiggle. That's what it looks like.
That looks jiggly.
Kylie said it looks jiggly.
Like once you put it in your hand, you like.
Arande look like he's scared, and I don't know what that ridiculous dance is these kids be doing these days.
They be having Fortnite.
Now go on, get it in. You was just doing it, OJ. Go on, do it. They just saw you doing it because you was out here doing it.
This is what kids these days do.
And she talking like she ain't no child.
You is a child.
This is what kids these days do.
Yeah,
They're like 9, 8, or 5-year-olds.
Wait, we ain't to that right now.
Or 97.
They're supposed to be learning about business art. Instead,
you gotta eat it for them one day. Hey, look over there and give me that the kitchen knife. I mean the kitchen spoon.
That looks like
the kitchen scissors.
That looks like the salad.
Okay, hold on. So this is the way it look, y'all. So
they look wet.
They look like they got sugar on.
Wet.
You look jiggly. You look like recipe.
She doing that. This is made in Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Yeah, that's an empty bottle. You already thrown it.
Oh, wait.
Oh. That's all.
I ain't find it. Wait, y'all gonna have one.
Don't act. Chinese food makes you,
it smells like glue.
Yeah. You might be eating some glue.
Oh, and it's sticky, yeah. Oh!
It's not like glue.
This is like SMR.
Yeah, it smells some glue.
It's not that bad.
No,
you in it, family. He ain't being gonna eat
Johnny,
nothing.
why you eat?
Ty, you gotta. Okay, go ahead. What it taste like? Cause she done dug into it. Wait a minute, did you try it? He saw it come out of her mouth and he said, okay, y'all, this is the way it looks. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like, it's got
an interesting taste.
Is it sweet?
Kind of, but not really. Kind of.
Tastes like plastic.
It tastes like flour. Okay, now it smells like how you have the sugary peach rings. Everybody bite. That. No, you got to. Come on, you took it.
I double dare you to buy this. You gotta do the double dare.
No, eat.
Sorry.
Eat up.
It didn't look black.
Why you coming up now? You better be eating.
Nah, eat up.
Oh. It's waxy. Try it.
Like a boy.
Oh, it tastes like. Oh, I know what it tastes like. The outside tastes like castor, not the flavor castor.
Wait, what does the inside taste like?
I don't know and I don't want to know. Come on, we gotta wait for Daddy to.
Bite it. Shove that thing in your mouth.
So y'all,
That didn't taste good.
this is a no-go.
Don't try that.
Unless you know about this and you like it.
Yeah, unless you know about it.
Tatiana, I'm gonna tell you now, don't eat nothing you don't like, cause the way you over here drinking this water, you know that was not nothing good.
It wasn't really.
Now, what does this taste like?
Okay, wait, calm down.
I swear. That.
All right, that's a no-no.
Don't eat that.
That aftertaste.
No, you're gonna be eating glue.
Now we're gonna try this one. Hopefully this one is better, cause it's supposed to be melon.
I think that's kiwi.
It's still a fruit mocha, but it's hama melon or something like that.
Hope it's good.
It's the same like as that, but
Taste. He already. It's really my favorite color. So
let's see.
oh, it's green. That'll look like.
I need y'all to get over here so everybody can be seen. Go, move over, right here. Yeah, move over there. Move up. Stop it.
He looks like he's trying to go somewhere.
All right.
Those look like beans.
Daddy, it's
Now you
also
have
your
to
face.
Okay.
What is that?
It's a absorber. Keep it fresh.
It smells like glue.
Now these smell better, actually.
Ooh, they do.
It smells like
Don't
fruit,
get your hopes up though.
but it smells good.
Dad's not getting you so up.
It literally smells.
It tastes like nothing.
It smells like.
It's only to like the top of the mouth. You eat it inside.
Okay. It's got an aroma, a good aroma until you like get close to it. And you kind of like, what happened? So this way, this one
It
looks.
smells like kicks a little.
No, I went last time.
I'm having the faith that this.
I went last time. They're gonna try it before I do.
I'll try.
But oh my god. Tastes like one of those fruits. Forgot it was green. It's a green fruit
Let me
that was
see.
frozen.
I'm trying to get the inside.
I better not taste the inside. I want to get the inside and see what the inside
I'm
is.
digging in, y'all. Tastes like candy.
It's so stretchy.
This one is a little bit better.
It's a little bit better.
A little bit.
Try it. Put it in your mouth. See, look at it. It's a little bit better, but it's still not mine.
Oh, you better forgot. Not my type of tea.
Look, y'all. Daddy, hold on, why is your face? He trying not to laugh.
She don't like it.
Next.
That's what he be saying and not it.
What's the matter with it? It's good.
No.
Did you really just say, oh, I need to walk?
Oh.
That tasted bad.
Try y'all, yeah.
That's a a no-no.
Alright, so
That's a backpack.
this is
Mine.
Yang Yang.
And mine.
Now I remember something similar to this. Okay, wait a minute. We're doing a video here.
I was sorry.
Let's get it together.
Gang gang.
He came in and said, gang gang. Alright, so I remember on base we had something called, it was in the Oriental aisle, the commissary. You remember them things we used to buy for them? It was Poxy or something like that. Pocky or something. That's what this reminds me of from the looks of it. But it's a cracker stick with dip. You got a fun animal. Name games on each stick. Okay, so you got, this is strawberry. I don't think the chocolate is in there. Oh, it's chocolate and strawberry cream.
I took this out.
Maybe this one will have a better taste.
Well, it looks like it. That's
Ooh.
outside of it.
After
Yeah, and that's enough for everybody to get 2 with different ones on it.
Yeah. Okay.
So they got black ink squid. They got little stuff wrote on it. Like this say stag beetle powerful jaw.
I want to stag bleed on nasty. Y'all. What kind of faces you do?
Oh, whoever it is.
Right. Then I can go. Can I
Wait.
taste like a strawberry? You like it?
Oh, this is a little different because the cream is kind of, it's different from the Poxy. Pocky.
I'll do this.
Hold it.
Well,
what kind of thing I got? I got the
Oh, wait a minute. I thought the cream went deep down, Lord.
ooh.
Wait a minute. Yo, that's how deep it goes. Can y'all see that? It's not deep at all. And I gave them almost all of them. Me and Daddy got it. It ain't funny, right there.
hey, Daddy.
I'm gonna put a little on his anyway, because he over here iffy about it before he get it.
Don't come here like
It's a stick, sir.
You saw it coming, Dad.
Alright,
that.
so
What do? I bet he will eat the
here we
stick.
go, y'all.
He eating the stick and what?
Tastes like vanilla for the strawberry. This is
Alright.
good stuff.
Chocolate is good. We got sheep and wool sweaters. That's what it sounds like.
Cat has 9 lives.
Octopus fight off.
Oh, Lord.
I got a starfish sea star.
Oh, wee. Got it, top.
I got squid.
Okay, let me try the strawberry one.
He don't like it.
That it tasting a little bit better for you?
I think this is a go. For a snack.
My friends take these to school.
Huh?
It's okay.
It's
Stop being
okay.
picky, Dad. You know
So
it's
that
good.
amount of cream.
I know, right?
They eat
And
the
look.
sticks. They eat the
Sure.
sticks.
Dip it. Because ain't enough for everybody. Ain't none in there.
I picked them.
Alright, so that's fine. So,
I got an octopus egg on.
now, okay, hubby had got these. I don't know when he gonna eat them. I'm gonna make sure he eat them on camera.
Oh yeah.
When he do.
You be blowing out the toilet.
Hot chili, but she said they wasn't as hot as the thing people be doing the challenge on.
I need this one.
Okay, so I like seaweed.
Me too.
I know.
And you gonna
What?
try it. This is Atomic Organic. Hey, they can't hear me. This Atomic Organic Olive Oil Grilled Lava, or whatever, but it's seaweed. They have different ones, but she said that this one was really good. That it Oh, we recording.
Yeah.
I don't see the countdown though.
Your thing is down. My computer do the same thing. Your thing is up here.
No, but it's supposed to be up. I hope it's recording.
And we ate all that food. That's It is. Wait, no. Just your bottom is showing. It shows.
Isn't that supposed to be a thing?
I think I was gonna say pause. So
Yeah. And pause it is.
Pause record. So it says okay. But normally we count.
Okay, we're.
But okay. So
It's right there. It's right there.
yeah, because I moved. It just came back. Y'all know it wasn't there. Come on now.
I didn't see that before.
Exactly. All right. So seasoned lager. I guess that's for seaweed. So we're gonna try this.
I can't believe something.
I like
so this dude over here. Yes, I'm talking about the one in the polo stripe thingy, blue and
there's
black.
a lot in here. Look.
He do not like
It's
mark.
different sheets.
No,
It's 1,
what is it called?
2,
Sorry.
3, 4, 5. So it's 5 of the sheets in here, and they pretty long, I think.
Let's all take one.
No, that's because if it's good, that's too much to go to waste.
But if it's what?
All right, so
if it's not good,
It smells good.
I smell it over here. It smells good.
I need my
seaweed.
I have it. I need my seaweed.
She already bited it.
He's like, girl. He's good.
it tastes like something that would be in sushi. It's soft. It's softy.
Barely smell it. I didn't know. You ain't face brown. It's like fish.
come on. No, take this stuff.
Don't eat all that.
You gonna eat this?
You own the camera. You won't even.
I'm on the camera with y'all, but
Yeah, you don't want to eat the seaweed. I'm trying to get him to eat the seaweed, y'all.
no.
Oh, that I broke it.
No, you still going too far.
That is a dang thing.
Just eat it, dang. Wait.
What?
Well, I don't want to waste your stuff.
And the
Okay.
The first try, it won't taste as good.
I'm done.
A couple of tries, it didn't.
Look at his face. He just too He just think he's too rusty. Even his tongue from touching it.
It was good, y'all. I'll definitely buy this again.
Yeah, you will.
I should go.
Because she said it was different from the seaweed that they sell like at Walmart and stuff. So if you like sushi like I do,
Isn't it delicious?
like I do, you will like this.
I asked Dad, is it delicious? And he shook his head no.
It's healthy.
Don't eat the
Yes,
rest.
I'm gonna put this in a Ziploc bag. So we're gonna keep this.
Mom, he spit it out. Out of the camera. That's his little stash. He looked at you with your toe.
Alright, so yeah, so the seaweed is a go.
Next, Dad. No. You ruined
That was the last thing. So
So disrespectful, Dad.
It's like
it's in a kid's place, whether you on camera or not. I heard what you said.
Say sorry.
That ain't tolerated.
Say sorry.
Sorry.
Get over here. I'm not playing with you. Watch your mouth, stand in your place. Alright, you guys. So okay. Now I still taste some of that. Alright, guys. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We're gonna let me know if you want us to do more videos like this. There was a couple more things they had that I wanted to try to do a video. So let me know if you guys want us to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me introduce everybody for all my new subbies. This is Miss Tatiana.
Hello.
Miss Kylie.
Tweet.
Mr. Aronde the third. And Mr. Aronde Senior. And y'all know I am your beautiful.
You see what he did, Mom?
I see what
Mom, you made a mess.
Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell each and every time hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I load a video. And until next time,
Happy eating.
happy eating.
Bye. Bye.
Peace, y'all.